Hi guys, and welcome to today's tutorial on exchange rates. So in today's lesson we're going to look at exchange rates, and this is a really simple thing to do, but it's something that sometimes students get mixed up with, and I'm going to show you some simple little techniques so you can make this very easy for you to learn and to understand how to do. So the first thing you need to know is you need to know what are exchange rates. Okay, so exchange rates. You need to know a definition for exchange rate. So basically, simple definition is the rate of exchange is the value of one currency against another. The value of one currency against another. So in other words, it's the quantity of foreign currency that it can be bought or sold for euro. And banks both buy, so they say we buy, and they have a section where they say we sell. And this basically means is that they buy your euro, your currency, in exchange for another currency, and they also sell you currency in exchange for another currency. Right, so I'm going to give you a tip now that's very important, and it basically will help you do any question that you're asked in a junior certificate examination, okay? So, if you're going to convert euro to another currency. So say you have €1,000 and you want to find out how much you will get in sterling for that amount of euro. Or how much, if you had €1,000, how much would you get in US dollars? What you do is you multiply. This is the important part to know. You multiply by the by the we sell exchange rate. So as you can see, if you convert an euro to any other currency, you multiply the amount of euro that you have by the we sell exchange rate that the bank is giving you. The next tip I'm going to give you is if you have to convert a currency, so any currency, dollar, yen, rupee, whatever it might be, sterling, to euro, what we do is we divide by the we buy exchange rate. So just go back over that again. So if you want to convert a currency back to euro, so say you've got US dollars and you want to convert that to euro, basically all you have to do is you divide the US dollars by the we buy exchange rate price, and that will give you how much currency you would get for that, say US dollars in euro. Right, so we're going to do an example now, and here's the example here. A UK importer is paid 12,400 sterling for a machine from an Irish supplier. Your local bank had the following information on display. Sterling, bank sells at 0.6171, bank buys at 0.6234. Calculate the cost machine in euro. So, I'm going to put this beside here, beside our key information. So we want to work out how much it's going to cost us in euro. So we have to convert a currency, which is the sterling, to euro. It says divide by the we buy exchange rate. So we'll do that then. Okay, so as a solution, so it says convert the currency to euro, we divide by the we buy. So it's 12,400, and I'm going to divide that by the we buy. So bank buys, so it's 0.6234, and that gives me 19890.92. So that basically gives me, I'm after working out now, that if I want to buy a machine that's 12,400 in sterling, I want to get 12,400 and put that back into euro, it's going to cost me in euro 19,890.92 cents. The next example we're going to look at is how much I would receive if I converted 2,468 to US dollars. The exchange rate today is €1 is equal to 120 US dollars. So how much will I get in dollars if I had 2,468? What would I get in dollars if I was going to America and I was going to exchange 2,468? So again, I'll put this here, as you can see that there. And you can see up here that it says if you want to convert euro to another currency, we multiply by the we sell. Okay, so we've got euro and we want to convert that to US dollars. So the exchange rate we sell is €1 is equal to 120. So the solution is going to be really simple. Solution is going to be 2468 multiplied by 120, and that's going to give me the answer in US dollars, which is 2961.60. So that's 2,961.60 US dollars that I would get for my 2,468. So all you got to know is this little formula here that I've given you here. If you know this formula, well then you'll be able to answer any single question on exchange rates. If you want to convert euro to any other currency, you multiply by the we sell exchange rate. And if you've got a different currency and you want to exchange it back to euro, you divide by the we buy exchange rate. And it's as simple as that. Once you learn these two things off, you can answer any questions on exchange rates. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial on exchange rates. I hope you found this useful. If you did find this information and this tutorial useful, can you please leave me some feedback in the comment section below? And can I ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel? You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for all the latest news and updates. Thanks, guys.